Hello everybody, this is Hotter Wheels 13 and I'm coming at you to let you know that this is going to be my first and only opening. I'm going to rip this. So I've been looking at this car for a while. It's one of the extras that I got that I've already got in the package, so I'm going to open it up just so you guys can enjoy Hot Wheel getting set free, as Race Groove says. So let's do this. And this is the 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. So let's get it out. There you go. It's nice, like the blue. Nice white stripes. Some nice rims. It's got a plastic bottom, metal top. So it's pretty cool.